welcome back to my channel. So I thought this would be the perfect time to show you guys how I moisturize my low porosity hair. I'm going to show you guys what I do, and this keeps my hair super moist and it does not take that long at all. First of all, this is the end of the day. My hair is probably like a week old right now. It's good and dry and I need to moisturize my hair and my scalp. What I do to moisturize my scalp, take my oil mixture right here, and this is just a bunch of different oils. The main oil in this is olive oil because I love olive oil and my hair loves it. Apply some to my scalp. Massage that right into my scalp. And I probably moisturize my hair like every 3 or 4 days. It just depends on how dry I feel like my hair is. You can take any hair moisturizer that you want. I take my moisturizer and I just start applying that all over my hair. I'll take a lot of moisturizer and apply it all over my head. I'm not stingy at all with the hair moisturizer, so I'm just gonna apply that all to my hair. Make sure you get your edges too, because you want everything moisturized. My moisturizer tends to sit on top of my hair and it takes a while for it to moisturize. Now this is what I do. I don't apply any water. I know people apply water first to their hair. I don't, because I want all that moisture from the product that I'm using to actually absorb into my hair. All of my moisturizers that I use, the first ingredient is water. My olive oil butter that I make on my channel, I take some of that, like this much. You don't want to put too much oil in your hair because the oil will weigh your hair down, and that's not good in the summer months. So I warm it up on my hands. So I'll apply that all over my hair, and if I need some more, I'll just apply some more. I can still tell just sitting on top of my hair. So this is how to get it to sink into your hair a lot faster. This is what I do. I take my hard candy bonnet right here. I'll put it on my head and I'll let it sit on my head for about no longer than 5 minutes to give it enough time to absorb in my hair. If your hair is thinner than mine, you don't have to leave it on 5 minutes. I leave mine on 5 minutes because my hair is really thick and it really takes a second for that moisture to absorb in my hair strands. Now I know a lot of you guys are asking me like, how is my hair growing so fast? This is what I do to get my hair to grow fast too. I used to do this all the time when I first started my hair journey and I really wanted my hair to grow fast. I leave my hard candy bonnet on my hair the whole night. I'll wake up, I'll refresh my hair. When you take it off in the morning, your hair is going to be damp because it's like a little sauna, so it's going to dampen your hair. So that is what I do to get my hair growing. That's how my hair has been growing so fast. If you guys haven't tried it, please try it out. So 7 days in a week, I do this for 3 nights out of the whole week, and this really helps your hair to grow and it helps your hair to stay moisturized too. So I do this when I'm moisturizing my hair. I also do it overnight 3 times a week, and my hair has really been growing because I've been doing it like this. When I'm doing this method overnight, what I do is I take my caffeine oil, aka my coffee oil. I take a little bit of this and apply it all over my scalp. I'll massage it in. I'll put my hard candy bonnet on. I'll leave that on overnight and wake up, refresh my hair, get on with my day. I'll leave a link for everything in the description box so you guys can make your own caffeine oil. It's really simple to make. If you guys want to try that plus the hard candy bonnet, I'm gonna leave everything in the description box so you guys can check it out. So I'll be right back to show you guys how moisturized my hair is. So it's been 5 minutes, so I'm just gonna take it off my hair. My hair feels super moisturized. You can leave it on there longer if you want to. I only do mine for 5 minutes. It usually gets absorbed into your hair within 5 minutes. If you leave it on there for a long time during the day, like I said, your hair will be damp. If you don't want that, then just leave it on 5 minutes and it will do the job. Hair is super moisturized. It's soft to the touch. It goes all the way down to the roots. It actually sunk into my strands, and this is just a faster way to moisturize your hair. That's how I keep my hair moisturized, and that's also how I'm growing out my hair too. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.